Somebody is shooting a 50 cal today. All right, it is Saturday. The weather is beautiful and hot. Well, not so good that it's hot, but it's a good day to ride. Let's take the long way home. Ricketts Road, flip a coin, left or right? Well, I'm left-handed, let's go left. Normally we'd go right here, over here, going to go left again. Head deep into the abyss of the Montana unknown. Dutch Hill Road, and I think it's what I'm looking for if it comes out at the gas station. Up to Woodside Cutoff. We're gonna go straight across. Actually kind of need gas, but fuck it, we'll top it off later. This thing always gets you home. Passing through Corvallis. Want to take a guess which way we're going?